Spectro Scientific makes on-site measurements effortless with the Infracal 2 portable infrared analyzer. Changing how, when, and where you do your analytical testing, your oil and water measurement can be made in the field or your internal lab. Whether you work in the oil industry, offshore or onshore, are a wastewater treatment professional, or employed by a company that must regulate its oil and grease in its effluent discharge, the Infracal 2 will help speed up productivity and save time and money by providing results in under a minute. Designed for use in the laboratory, plant, or field environment, the Infracal 2 is the industry standard for measuring oil and water. Increased sensitivity allows for sub-ppm measurements of total oil and grease and total petroleum hydrocarbons. With two options available, the Infracal 2 is the ideal solution for obtaining needed measurements quickly and easily with a few simple steps. Collect a measured amount of sample. Add a measured amount of solvent. Shake for 2 minutes. Allow the sample and solvent to separate. Extract the sample from the solvent layer with a syringe. Present the sample to the instrument. Infracal 2 model ATR-SP uses hexane as the extraction solvent and has a low detection limit of 0.3 ppm. The Infracal 2 model Trans-SP uses S316 or tetrachloroethylene as the extraction solvent and has a low detection limit of 0.1 ppm. Whether you don't have time for an off-site lab result, have regulatory limits that must be met, or have stringent quality control standards, the Infracal 2 is your reliable, cost-effective solution. Spectro Scientific is a global supplier of portable instruments for the analysis of total oil and grease, fats oil and grease, and total petroleum hydrocarbons in water and soil. The intuitive touchscreen display allows for use by non-technical personnel. Operators of the Infracal 2 oil and water analyzer can utilize multiple calibration tables, internal data logging, and data exporting. Instrument settings are password protected to avoid unauthorized changes. The Infracal 2 is rugged and portable, making it easy to bring the analysis to the measurement site or testing environmental samples remotely. The Infracal 2 from Spectro Scientific. Confidence in knowing.